Welcome back to Rustic Roots Build. Join us deep in the heart of nature as we transform a rugged forest slope into a perfectly crafted modern masterpiece. Experience every step of this unique journey where professional skill meets the peace of the wilderness. Gravel is being poured into the foundation hole, followed by the precise placement of a concrete block to ensure a moisture-free and incredibly sturdy foundation for the house's long-term stability. A weed barrier sheet is being precisely laid over the foundation and covered with gravel to prevent unwanted growth and keep the structure dry and durable for years. Special anti-rot protective paint is being applied to the wooden beams to ensure longevity, followed by their precise placement on the foundation to form the house's main structural frame for a solid and durable base. The skilled craftsman is now precisely installing the floor supporting beams to create a robust grid structure. This orderly process significantly enhances the house's load-bearing capacity while ensuring an exceptionally stable and durable foundation. Plywood boards are being precisely installed over the wooden frame to create a solid floor base, ensuring long-term durability and stability. Wooden studs are being meticulously arranged on the floor to assemble the wall frame, ensuring a perfectly straight and sturdy structure once it is raised. The four walls are rising perfectly under the craftsman's skilled touch, beautifully reflecting his expertise and hard work. the heart of the deep forest, this skilled craftsman is tirelessly building his dream home with unwavering determination. Every precise detail marks a unique step toward fulfilling a lifelong vision. Rafters are being precisely installed to complete the roof's wooden framework, ensuring long-term structural integrity and stability for the house. Wooden studs are being precisely installed for the roof's gable, significantly reinforcing the structure and ensuring the home's long-term stability. OSB boards and wooden battens are being precisely installed over the rafters to provide a solid foundation for the roof while creating the perfect base for the final covering. Modern corrugated roofing sheets are being perfectly installed to provide long-lasting protection, shielding the house from rainwater and moisture for a lifetime. OSB boards are being precisely installed on the wall frames to enhance structural strength and create a durable, solid foundation for the house. The entire house is being wrapped in a specialized waterproof house wrap to protect the wooden structure from moisture and ensure long-term durability. Window and main door frames are being precisely installed to ensure the house's security and long-term structural durability. Artistic wooden siding and trim are being precisely installed to enhance the house's elegance while providing a durable, natural finish that integrates perfectly with the forest landscape. By installing artistic window shutters and building a solid porch framework, the house is attaining its final aesthetic form, ensuring both security and a durable sanctuary in the peaceful forest environment. Sturdy wooden steps are being precisely crafted to create a seamless and aesthetic entrance to the house. With the craftsman's expert touch, the final work on the porch steps and deck is being completed, creating an aesthetic entrance and ensuring a durable sanctuary in the peaceful forest environment. This meticulously handcrafted wooden door is being carefully installed, adding a touch of elegance and absolute security to complete this dream sanctuary. Premium wooden planks are being precisely installed to finish the interior floor, creating a warm and elegant atmosphere that reflects the craftsman's expert skill. This masterpiece, built with countless drops of sweat and endless patience, is more than just a home. It is the fulfillment of a life's dream amidst the whispering forest. If this journey of craftsmanship inspired you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Rustic Roots Build. Your support fuels our passion to create more such wonders in nature.